In this video, I'll show you how to install and run Android TV on your Windows PC step by step. Open up Chrome and search Android Studio and press enter and check the first official site. Check the download Android Studio. Scroll down to the bottom and select I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. Check download. Once the download done, select the downloader application. Select yes, select next, next, select next, install. Once the installation done, select next and select finish option. Don't send. Select next, 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 accept and select next. Once this installation done, select finish. Select more actions. Select virtual device manager. Select allow. Select the plus icon and go to TV and select the monitor's resolution. In my case, I'm using 1080p, so I'm selecting this and select next. TV name, you can type whatever name you want, but you need to remember the name and then select finish. Select yes to download this. Once this done, select finish. And now you can able to see TV as ready to use. Select this play icon. And Android TV successfully opens up. Now you need to make this Android TV full screen. Open up Chrome and search auto hotkey. Press enter. Select the official autohotkey.com. Select the download option and select download v2.0. Once the download done, click on the exe application and select install. Say yes. Select new script option and name the script whatever you want. And then click on this folder icon and set this to desktop and click on save option. Say create empty. And now it has created. Once this done, close stuff here. Right click on the created full screen fix and select edit in Notepad. Check my video description for this text. Copy this text and paste it in this full screen fix. Now press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Open Android, open SDK, open emulator, and now copy this file path and paste it in this emulator path. And now copy this emulator and paste it again right here and type .exe emulator folder emulator application. And now you need to type your TV name. Go back to the device manager. You can able to see TV name. In my case, Ajay. Type the TV name. And same thing here. Next to this quotation, you need to change this name to TV name and select file and select save option. Once this done, close tab here. Now the script is ready. Make sure the TV is running in the background. Double click on the script and this will make the TV to full screen. And now I show you guys how to use this Android TV. Using the up arrow and down arrow, use right arrow, left arrow to choose options. To select option, press enter, go to Play Store and go to search. Type here browser, press enter, select this browser, install. Once this installed and open, select all this next. Use the right click to get back and start the app. Search, press enter, go to Google and next, close. In Google, search STN beta, press enter, choose the search option. Now, using the mouse, you can control the mouse using arrows in your keyboard and press enter to select this link. Select this download stable, select download, select the download option. Select the APK, it's now download done. Select the APK and install unknown apps, set this to on and using the right click, go back. Select the smart tube, press enter. Select install. Select open option and smart tube opens up. It's the same like YouTube, but it's an alternative application. Go to home and in home you can able to see favorite apps. Click on add more favorite apps. Using the down arrow, select smart tube. Whenever you want to open YouTube, you must select this smart tube and you can play the videos same like YouTube. I'm gonna play this video song. As you can see, the video song is playing right now. You can forward it. To go back, just press the right click. Same like YouTube. Close this application and I'll show you guys the default TV YouTube. It doesn't work for some reason. It shows the same problem. It is not supported on this device. And this way you can use to YouTube and lots of movies also available. You can install these apps separately and you can watch these movies same like YouTube guys. Only this problem having for YouTube, so I fixed it for you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.